What is the most annoying sound in the world? A new study examines the neurological basis for unpleasant noises and finds exactly which sounds are the most irritating. A new study examines which sounds are most unpleasant to the human ear. It's so universal that it's become a cliché, nails on a chalkboard. When it comes to noises that bother everyone's ears, it's seemingly a given that scraping fingernails across a slateboard is the one that everyone hates most. But when a group of neuroscientists decided to test which sounds most upset the human brain, they discovered that fingernails on a chalkboard isn't number one. It's not even number two. As part of their research, published last week in the Journal of Neuroscience, they put 16 participants in an MRI machine, played them a range of 74 different sounds and asked them to rate which were most annoying. Their top 10 most irritating sounds, with links to audio files for the worst 5.